Let's create your website for the IT SBA. Step 1. Signing up. Let's go to weebly.com. We're looking for the one with the W. Click on that. Then we need to sign in. So one group member can sign up for the Weebly, and that group member is responsible for creating the Weebly and submitting the assignment. However, it's a group assignment. So you all should meet online. Google Meet, Zoom, Skype, there's so many options now. And see what is happening. Give input onto how to create it, but that one group member, of course, is responsible for creating it. Right, let's sign up. Okay, first name, last name, enter your email, password. Pretty simple, right? Agree, continue. Okay, I already have an account, so we'll just go to mine. So here we are. Let's go to my home page. So I already have a website created, and it's going to show you all of your websites created if you had more than one. Okay. Step 2, create the website. So we're going to select create website and then select a theme. Now for you, you would see creating a website or adding a site. I'm going to add a site. This is the page you might see as you have no websites as yet. I just need a website. I don't need an online store. For IT SBA, we just need a website. So I'm clicking on the first option. Now we select a theme, and you'll notice there are many categories. So I'm just going to choose any one. Maybe this one. Notice you can preview what it would look like. And I can decide to use this theme or X and select something else. Okay, this one is not available. All right, you all know I'm into yoga, so let's see. Start editing. Okay, so that's going to come up. So we have selected our theme. Step 3, create a web address. You're going to type in a subdomain, which should be descriptive of the project, of your IT SBA project. And then you're going to have a dash group initials, right? Click search and select one of the free options. So here it is. They're asking for a domain name. So let's say I need to create a website for Scribbler's Corner. So I've typed in a description, dash the group member name. So Scribbler's Corner is run by myself and Miss Caldero. So I've put in our initials. Notice no spaces. Search. Okay, some options come up here, but I'm interested in the free option. So I'm going to choose the free one. Done. Okay, so it was uploading something there. All right, so step 4, design the website. Now there are certain things we can add certain objects or delete certain objects from a website. So let's see. Notice that you can build, and build being the different objects. We can add a title, a text, image. What else would you need? There are a number of options you see. Section comes in handy. File you might need. Right. All it is a simple drag and drop. And click here to edit. Now I think about this. This is black text, which doesn't go with my background here. So you'll notice that a little toolbar popped up, and I have options: bold, italic, underline, plus and minus, meaning of course increase, decrease font size, text color or font color. This one is a hyperlink link, alignment, undo, redo. Right. Oh, I don't like that color. Okay, we'll go with that. It shows up. The thing is, though, I chose a yoga template or theme. However, my website is about Scribbler's Corner. This theme makes no sense to me. So I need to delete some options. So you'll see there's an X that shows up. And I can click on the X and get rid of anything that does not match what I want. So let's get rid of this picture. Get rid of the text as well if I wanted, or I can click and change the text. This button, we don't need any buttons, get rid of that. In fact, you'll see there was a kind of gray section and a white section. I'm going to delete the entire section. So you can add in sections, drag and drop, let's see where it went, and then put items there. It could be an image, it could be text, it could be anything, right? Let's see, file. So these are the different objects: text, image, file. Those are the different objects that you can add on your web page. Additionally, we can delete those objects. Now, next thing is to add a web page. Now, I'm seeing this one here is called My Site. I don't like the name of that. Of course, I want Scribbler's Corner. Right. Let's see. Can I change? I want to change this background. Edit background. Replace. Right. So I can change images. The only thing about images is that you need to have it stored. So let's find an image. Stationery. Okay, I'll just pick this one here. So we need to save it. So file, right click on the one I want, save image as. Okay, we'll just save that. Come back to Weebly, edit background, replace, and a pop-up comes up telling me to drag and drop. So I am going to take from my downloads folder, just gonna drag and drop. That one did not work, so we need another image, kind of like this one. Save image as, right? Could leave it like that. Let's try that one instead. There we go. That worked. Right? I needed a better quality image though for a backdrop. Let's see this small image here. Oh, save. Right. Let's try this one, the same image. Right, it shows up. Let's see if you have a file. If I wanted to upload a file, where is my folder? Right, so I have some files here. I have the IT SBA. Let's drag that in. And notice it's now there. Right? Right. So we want to create to add pages. Now we at the top here, we're on the build tab. We want to go to the pages tab. And we know that the first one is home. Right? It's always home. So that's the first one we're on. So I'm clicking on that. And you can actually change the page name if you wish. Home is what we want to leave it as. Then let's go back. Click on another one. And let's change the name of that to items, right? Or stationery. Okay. Go back. And you will notice that it's now not called, what was it, shop? It's now called stationery. So I've changed the name of my web page. Now, I don't need all of these web pages, so I can delete any that I don't need. Right? You only want to keep on your website what is necessary for your project. All right, let's go back to home here. Go back to build. What do we need to do next? Add a hyperlink. Right. So any of our objects, our text or image, we can add a hyperlink to it. So let's get some text here. First, highlight the text and the infinity sign. Click on that, and you can choose a website. So if you're choosing a website, you need to have a website first. Let's go back here. This Office Authority, okay? So you need to click on the web address, copy, highlight the text, link, website URL, paste. Okay, and that would link automatically. The image, click on the image, link, website, paste. Right, and now I've added a hyperlink to another web page, if you notice. Next thing, upload a file. Well, I already showed you how to do this. Good. So we know how to design our website. We know how to add an object, text, image, file, section. We know how to delete the objects on the web page. We know how to add web pages and delete those that we don't need. Change the names of the web page even if we need to. Add a hyperlink, yes, and upload a file. Good. Step 5. Publishing the website. So publishing the website is how you make it public and submitting the assignment. So let's make the website public by publishing it. Thing is, we already created our web address up here in step 3. So all we need to do is press the word publish. And this is our link came up that we created our free link. So let's click on it. And you're going to see a preview of what someone might see when they look at your website. Menus in the corner here, go to stationery. Well, I didn't edit stationery, but you get the idea. All right. Come back to Weebly, X this one. Good. Our website has been published, therefore it's public. Anyone can see it. Share the link for your assignment. Well, I just showed you that. Let's publish again. Highlight, copy, Oops, copy. And let's open a Word document. Copy and paste the link to a Word document. So let's go new file, new here. And paste. Right? The next thing we have to do, or last thing, is to snip the web pages to the Word document. So I'm going back to my web page, but I want the published one. So let's publish. Let's go to that link. Let's get snip here, or snipping tool, new, drag and drop over what you're seeing, copy, and let's go to the Word document, paste. There we go. Now my web page is a little big, so I need to scroll down and then snip again. New, snip, copy, paste. And I keep doing that, right? So now I have a document with the link and the web pages or website shown in it. Don't forget to go to the next web page and snip that as well. Good. Save this Word document and submit this as your IT SBA website component. Easy.